Here we go, the 2-minute craftsman, back at it again, here to show you how to make a biscuit joint frame. First, I rip my boards down to size. They must be at least 2.5 inches wide, because that is the width of the biscuit. After you rip your boards down to size, head over to the miter saw, then cut them to length. After you cut all your boards to length, you can dry fit your project and mark out where your biscuits are going to go. You want to find the center of the board, then line it back up and mark both edges where the biscuit dry fitted. As you can see closely, I mark each joint, that way when I put it back together, I know where they go. Next, I head over to the biscuit joiner and I start making my plunge cuts with my biscuit joiner. Make sure that you clamp your board, that way when you plunge the biscuit joiner, your board doesn't move. After I have all my biscuits cut, next it's time to glue up. I insert each biscuit at a joint. I make sure to glue the biscuit and the joint, that way it makes a nice tight bond. Make sure you clamp both sides of the frame. That way it holds it in place while the glue is drying. Give the glue about 2 hours to dry. You can check it after that, make sure it looks good, and there you have it, a biscuit joint frame.